Bismillah. In this video, I'm going to solve edexcel IGCSE Mathematics A Paper 2H January 2019, the hardest questions. Number 5. Calvin has 12 identical rectangular tiles. He arranged the tiles to fit exactly around the edge of the shaded rectangle as shown in the diagram below. Work out the area of the shaded rectangle. Now for this tile, if we consider that the length for the tile x and the width y. Now from the geometric shape, this length 123 centimeter. So x plus x plus x plus x, so 4x plus y. So 4x plus y equals 123. And 2x plus y equals 67. So 2x plus y equals 67. Now we can solve them simultaneously to find x and y. If you subtract, 4x minus 2x equals 2x, and y cancelled. So 123 minus 67 equals 56. Divide by 2. So x equals 28 centimeter. Now you can substitute to find y. You can substitute in this equation. So 2 times 28, 2x, plus y equals 67. So 56 plus y equals 67. So y equals 67 minus 56 equals 11 centimeter. Now we have x and y. Then we can find the length of the shaded rectangle and the width. The length equals x plus x plus x plus this distance. This distance equals x minus y. X equals 28 and y equals 11. So 28 minus 11 equals 17. So this part 17. And we have x 28. So 28 plus 28 plus 28 plus 17. So the length for the shaded 28 times 3 plus 17 equals 101 centimeter. And by the same way, you can find the width. The width, x plus that one, which is x minus y, so 17. So 28 plus 17, 28 plus 17 equals 45 centimeter. Now the area of the shaded equals 101 times 45 equals 4,545 centimeters squared. Number 16. The diagram shows two mathematically similar vases, A and B. A has a volume of 405 centimeter cube. B has a volume of 960 centimeter cube. B has surface area of 928 centimeter square. Work out the surface area of A. Because they are similar, so the ratio between their volumes, VA to VB, equals side A power 3 to side B power 3. We have the volumes, so to find the ratio between their sides, side A to side B, cubic root, the ratio between their volumes, VA to VB, equals cubic root 405 over 960 equals 3 over 4. Now we can deduce the ratio between their areas. So area of A divide area of B equals side A squared over side B squared. Area of A, we need to find area of A. Area of B is 928 equals side squared, which was 3 squared, over side b squared, so 4 squared, then cross multiply. So area of A equals 3 squared times 928 divide 4 squared equals 522 centimeter square. 20. A, B, C, and D are points on a circle. BCQ is a tangent to the circle. AB equals BC. Angle BCQ equals X. Prove that angle CDA equals 2X. Give reason for each stage in your working. Now if you join AC, the angle between the tangent and chord, angle BCD, equals the circumference angle from the other side, so this angle equals X. This alternate segment theorem, so you can write that angle CAB equals angle BCD equals X, alternate segment theorem. And because BA equals BC, isosceles triangle, so this angle equals X. And the angle BCA equals angle BAC equals X, because AB equals BC. Now if this angle equals X and this angle equals X, then you can find the third angle, 180 minus 2X. So angle ABC equals 180 minus X plus X, so 180 minus 2X. So this angle ABC equals 180 minus 2X. And because ABCD is cyclic quad, so you can deduce that angle D plus angle B equals 180. So if angle ABC equals 180 minus 2X, then angle ADC equals 2X. So angle ADC equals 180 minus 180 minus 2X equals 2X. Because A, B, C, D cyclic quad. 21. Line L has equation for y minus 6x equal 33. Line M goes through the point A, 5 and 6, and the point -4 and K. L is perpendicular to M. Work out the value of K. To find the gradient of line L, you need to make y the subject. So for y equals 6x plus 33, divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. So y equals 6 over 4, or you can simplify to 3 over 2x plus 33 over 4. So now the gradient of line L, equals 3 over 2. Then you can deduce the gradient of line M, negative reciprocal, so -2 over 3. The gradient of line M from the 2 points, y minus y, so k minus 6, over x minus x, so -4 minus 5, so -9. So now k minus 6 over -9 equals -2 over 3, equates them. And cross multiply to find k. So 3 into k minus 6 equals negative 2 times negative 9. So 3k minus 18 equals 18. So 3k equals transpose 18, negative 18 to the other side by positive. So 18 plus 18 was 36. So divide by 3. So k equals 12. 22. The diagram shows a cone. AB is the diameter of the cone. V is the vertex of the cone. Given that the area of the base of the cone to the total surface area of the cone 3 to 8, work out the size of the angle AVB. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. We have the ratio between area of the base to the total surface area of the cone 3 to 8. The area of the base, if the radius r, if this r, so by r squared, divide by the total surface area for the cone, which is by r squared, plus by rn, equal 3 to 8. You can cancel by with by and cross multiply. So 8r squared equals 3r squared plus 3rl. Now transpose 3 to the other side by negative, so you are left with 5r squared equals 3rl. You can divide by r, so cancel this r with the power, so you are left with 5r equals 3l. So l equals divide by 3, so 5 over 3r. So this L in terms of R. Now we need to find the angle AVB. If we draw the perpendicular height for the cone, this H. Now consider this angle, theta. Angle AVB twice the angle theta. From symmetric, angle AVB equals double or 2 times angle theta. So if we can find angle theta, then we can find angle AVB. So to find angle theta, we need to find the ratio between R and H, or R and the slant height L. R and L. We have L now is 5 over 3R. So this 5 over 3R. So now we can find theta using sine inverse, because we have the opposite r and the hypotenuse 5 over 3r. So theta equals sine inverse r over 5 over 3r. R cancelled with r. 1 divide 5 over 3 equals 3 over 5. So this means sine inverse 3 over 5. Now angle AVB twice that, so equals 2 times sine inverse 3 over 5 equals 73.7 to 1 decimal place. 23. ABCD is a trapezium, so we need to draw trapezium. A, B, C, D. The vector DC 3 times the vector AB, so 3 AB. The vector DA equals negative 2 and 3. So this vector is negative 2, 3. Vector db equals negative 1 7, so negative 1 7. Find the exact magnitude of vector BC. So we need to find vector BC. Vector BC, we can find vector BC through D. So BD plus DC. So vector BC equals vector BD plus vector DC. BD, we have DB negative 1 and 7, so BD refers the direction, so change the sign, so 1 and negative 7. 1 and negative 7, because opposite direction. Now vector DC, 3 times the vector AB. So we need to find vector AB and then multiply by 3. To find vector AB, we can find vector AB, AD plus DB. So vector AB equals A vector AD plus vector DB. Vector AD is the opposite for DA, so we need to change the sign. So 2 negative 3 plus vector DB, same direction, so same. So negative 1 and 7 equals 1 and 4. So now you can deduce that vector DC, 3 times vector AB, so vector DC equals 3 times 1, which is 3, 3 times 4, 12. So 3 and 12. Now add them. 1 plus 3, 4. Negative 7 plus 12 equals 5. So 4 and 5. To find the magnitude of the vector BC, square root x squared, so 4 squared, plus y squared, so 5 squared, equals 16 plus 25. So square root 16 plus 25 equals square root 41 in exact form.